sa court no engine to mu say ono no right na dignity no ya violated, and that the right to fair hearing has been infringed upon.
My never say ma PENDREAM TV there osia dem yopo
Lord,
some there o de obekọ na ya say ono
oh, that's our lawyers. We all. Oh, I dear Bakwa, ya power. Womuti bench ni so no mu jelu bia. Na yo omo de.
ayo mo de.
Ba ye di omo a.
Na yo mo ya.
Na yo omo ya. On say, wono ni di ba ya fe woni nam. E na ato ne pasa na mekọ ha. Use me that lady no. Opese wo ye say the second year santo of Ghana, that is fine. Or the Virginia Diako to the extent they say.
Yes, and I need to say you.
I say one person will be say, well, such in China. So there's a because your static case, you work or high court, work or appeal. What them say as a stand now. Was our 4 outstanding cases with Supreme Court. On the second year, bua.
I see.
Yeah, Supreme Court are coming now, Bomuze no, yentimin ye way different way. Till on the 2nd of July, ye bua dear chitted, and you won't to me. The court will be busy this time. Minya, justice, media, Adia Yame and say he has the opportunity to resign. And on officer when Mombra, and into 1 year to obe fight this case.
Yeah.
And see, Mimi cried and Anka me pa JD macho. Say, and Kawadia Miss Renwas and Kawandia only your friend said dismiss and influence said you be obeying entitlement. At least why Juma Magana will go through a lot. But the way all praying is too much. Or Hanaho, maybe I could be a opium. Why also not catch the Ghana for said the law is the law, and we are dealing with the law. And you are not there, Mina Samono dear Minia, Nadia Mechanipi, or the uncle Swa now 1 year, because NPP 4 Buano say one so case until it's okay. Yamra, your friend is a Samra boy. Oh, galam say asemwa yeka. Da bia ye kan ya na amanfo fi say e bia ye kasa dodo. Just say kasa dodo. Oh ye nsase ni ye nsuban a ye se no. Se kura na ensuo na me say first no ana tetefo no use nsuo di yi apaye bom paye na ye desire de no. Na nse na me say so twa. Na nka ensuo daga na amanfo a hye de se no. Esenke nsuo ni bufu nanka da ko mu nyina yi nanka mpanimfo no a wo hwe Ghana so no nanka sesa wo mu nyina na de wo mukọ na aka nkola no to the extent they say ya sheda atie ni say ye besai Ghana nti yen sai Ghana we nsuo ye yiri ya afa kuremu ho nyina ebia abufuo kan ho because yati kuroma se nsuo topa ana meboa nsuo topa, but this is the first time I nsuo atimi yi edi afa kuro. Let us say, Bibishaho, we should be very careful the way and the manner ye treaty and sass in ye and so on, because I'm sure ya a dinema be bebre chrono. Say, Usha Kuroyimoa, Koraning Crofo ye warm deformations, ya dear. By idea na Ghana first experiencing in this country. Say we begin to experience all this kind of diseases. It is because of a nipa kakrebia you imagine say ye best say chrono. And I am penning for so ye high shahan say yen kosoni and say no. As for the wound to mean a lawyers for the Woman, dear, me so mobile brown, and Momica so move farming court to the stand. They say, if you need a court document, the first lawyer, ODKC, he has every document.
To bet me,
and to go back to me, I Jeffrey, no, simple. Just they wanted to buy time, but I judge and so I think said the first one. I answer on the 18th, no more deadline, and what trick or 2010. Or catch them say, ask for the date for the judgment. It will never push away. It will be the same date. And the attaching on our school, I will see any moment. Where people when I walk across your own color and on and continent, no one true judgment. No one foul monsu a fan come judge. No, I say, oh, Mujaya, assume wound to me case. This woman say wound to me, agent trial. Now, Musa pushing is our son called original chairman, a national chairman. And a Musa dinner chin a moo pushing on. And It's like conspiracy theory be no person omo ye. Ni aka say be as a chinanko. Say anko ye ya ma no okọ ebeka say ye kan. Wo mo person omo de ne call because onu no obi obetimi agina mama NPP adi nkunim. So enipa no ko gina region kora modi nkugu na ye national. NPP for omo hwe niam bi ye no omo tutu na NDC for so omo hwe omo hu ye. Ene hwehwe animu ade ya wo mo ye no. Ebi na Akufo Addo koye ya okote special prosecutor okofa Hamidu obedi animu later ekoye problem. So fire Chojola Wood o JDM kofo ne pointing no JDM atames muni ni beye adwuma muni mo no enti ono nso kura ne that time no obi ano watena kire ache enti se nanka mopo obi abeye member of council of state ade nanka monkofo no ehwehwe ni mu ana menua ne kan bia se okodi ani mu obi ani sika ya fa die na wo kope ni sika mo se wo ye de ben de ben wo kan no kure menua boachi Ghana ha yete no ye mpanimfo no de niema bi di agoro ama sebe esei kro no yama mpanimfo bi favoritism se we no de they are untouchable people intima ye nka wo mu oka wo mu a waka nyame ani. And that is the NPP for you. Omakoye womo honkrofo bi they thought to say Ghana belongs to them. And it is omu ya de whether it is good or bad. By force Ghana for yenji NPP for the entum. Dan see a beji will be the atum. Enka said the nam asemu we say senka enya asem. To the extent they say more NPP for momo try nipa no amujeli na mutiabem. Adan man twina mfanama. Obi aba wabeye ye di nipa na ba afede monam na moye press conferences open press conferences say wayera wayese yemfa ne nko yenye sei na NTC for so manya ho na moyi we ma we mu yiye wo mu ano jeje wo mu so ayede nye die hia ni ye hia ken wo mu amso nko ayo mu nipa se na Akufo Addo ode na no tum se kan brafie mintimi me enye ohwe a obetimi de kan aba. Because if you hear enough say bebusabusa nsem. So for me, sa court nsem, madam yinsem, dear corner, dear bano, neither here or there. Neither here or there. Emrane ye ne juma. Me ninko sa law school nibida. Oma na ti wo momrasi. Obetwe ni twa no mpa ache ne mpa JD ma ache na ye ma no pension fee bi no nkoji nkotenafse no mfa nkodidi no so on the court sema and obefa so because he knows the law. The law will deal with the law who knows the law.
Okay. Sa tevia ka osi ye corruption ye channel wa nya biara wo ka corruption. Sa Ghana International Hostel and sa sina wo Tobia Derek Prince Derek J edi petition koma Akufo Addo omo transo. And I'm I don't know why Derek is not revoking that invoking that petition today. Because crime is crime. It take you 50 years as I spy under your laws. I don't know why will keep you and no fan kutum. And my entrance someone so name just assassinating people me. It may no one and we may he in this whole Tokunu matter.
So far governor.
How? Nandisi fonsu dwebo. Mu dwebo, mu probia manako Council of State and the mushe Ghana agina.
So almost say almost the end there.
No, on pen formative justice.
Automatic.
No, on pen formative justice.
Not like almost lot on there.
A formative justice.
Yeah.
Formative justice.
To no kwesi
Georgina Wood in what?
Georgina Wood so.
Georgina Wood tiasi. Georgina Would have been a better choice. Munchwenim and this form.
Omo bomb di nyina MPP for.
No question ni dey.
Like MPP time no.
No question ni MPP member.
A question ni MPP member.
No MPP ni. Ani ye bo.
Ba na me dey chesa
MPP time no. Justice na ye to no zo wa Gibra $5 million. Question FIFA lawyer Kumasi Kas wa di $5 million bra bo wan yi no wan no. O di call retirement.
Justice ni ye bo. MPP ni. Oh sir.
No him. What for the rulings in Nashville? Go share the ruling from 2012 election petition.
The ruling na be me a chere be free ba.
Na ngade.
Wrap up na. Na
we na mo be ya mo si we enti o ye we dia go aban n'anim ase. Into a resign and no more but Mudi Abani who's so resign. Mudi at the time or nothing now, Mabana Quays security. Nipana could dance Kurumama Tokono.
At the time I started here, resigning because I'm sorry resigning somewhere last year.
And I make
last year September.
That is the point.
And the answer should be
I make up by a man for me. Most 20 person of my news, when your news. Obiadi Mrs. Sophia could dear dance here, ma, your friend. Tokono. And you know, compromise. No, and you want some to be better. You are no more got to food because you didn't know what you have been do. I won't be able to my content. I mean, got nothing. I say, and you the letter, new word the letter, cause I resign. No, no magic. Would you know the two drama? Oh, yes. I could dear dance here. I'm a token. And no one to know how far resign, asa.
The theatre,
no more jam, my mood, the idea by Yama. Where's my
NPP time now or call demonstration about
obvious one demonstration.
Now, Omodebeji, Dino Harmem as a man.
Obvious one demonstration.
Said the Sika Coca.
Oh, soon I knew what
haircut.
The Sika woman also.
Oh, I see.
Now, Nisika, now Sika and Kaokoe.
Having music and come.
Usika can go. That is the point. All demonstration because the Sika womb.
I lock.
Unlucky.
The Fantinebeka, I lock.
Yeah, and I know soon be no, you know, and I am with my cousin on your principle. Be out.
But I say,
that woman has never been principled to the best of my knowledge.
But I say,
says it on your good lawyer, and I want to meet the son of lawyer. Says also son.
And that case is in there, so okay.
But it is just a strategy, a legal strategy.
What do you say?
Yeah, to buy time and allow those who think that they have what it takes to put things right, you know. To do it before they
say because
said they and almost try to influence the outcome. That's all. The court have become so near and I on Araba
Tego. Hey, Mr. Tego.
Araba ni Ghana nanya asem.
No, Araba Tego, you're very crazy.
Araba ni Ghana nanya asem. And also on Tenowase.
Yes.
Or try High Court, Court of Appeal, I could pay Supreme Court, and also or court ECOWAS Court, Ewa Abuja.
Yeah.
Into a court, and you see case number 2.
Yeah.
There's an interim one be the court, yes, Anka Onyaya, yen stop Ghana. Among other Ghana, yen suspended. Sir, Article 146 proceedings against her.
Okay.
Normal reinstate or no
okay.
As CJ. Normal restore all her benefits and what have you. Normal grant any other interim orders. And no omobogu. That's the first part. Leaving the substantive matter. Substantive matter no. So we are call restaurant and we are we started on to the main course on Ankasa case and of course you or say quite first way you against the African Charter on Human Rights, human and people's rights and other international human rights instruments. Enuntino sa court no engine to mu say ono no right na dignity no ya violate and that the right to fair hearing has been infringed upon, that her right to work and also abono, and then also and the guarantee of I said there was no guarantee of judicial independence. None of it said, 7 for relief and all. An order directing the Republic of Ghana said, Yebejai will stop violating
the human
rights and comply with obligations under human rights charter. Or see, your man $10 million. As compensations. Now, court, besides your man and the cost of litigation, cost of action. Car boy,
farm piece of man.
court no jitu mo mutie ye court no dwen ho. You see, the audio obi wo halo ye di be yo. Unanimous decision. ECOWAS court unanimously. Epamono. Say omofua near course to Ghana no. Now, according to the court, no, one to me and say indeed the right are all claim we know has been violated.
Okay.
She's not been able to prove to the court. She has not demonstrated to the ECOWAS court to say the right to dignity was violated, the right to fair hearing was taken away, the right to work. So be Juma and the Nina went to me and into the court no say omo chata na ewo ho no. In the international instrument now were referred to no. Any case now would be two money mono. One to me I establish it. Say indeed Ghana ye bibi tiano. It was our kwan we so. Now sans one to me and demonstrate to say Ghana a tiano fan who dear so anano is found right and the found in as if for no. Amount to me granted no sa $10 million now or penno. Na near me ya. It was a court na ambunu canto no so.
That's the guy finding no.
For wasting the time of the court and everybody's time. Next one would $9 million fino.
Ghana cedis and dollars.
$9 no pay.
Something sanka no better could.
Now I see and I don't pay now when you be said to me before.
Or no pretend.
Or pretend and they are deny fino for wasting the time of everybody. Well, I say, yeah, you. When I open my tear said the law is the law.
It's the law.
And here you would. You would because near my way, you do coin no more tears. There, Bonnie Bena, Ghana, a man for the deep petition call ye. Say, oh, yeah, name be and send fata. And a president, every fair petition, no. Edima Council of State. And a Council of State, a sheer petition anymore. And almost Bibi wom. And the president, wait him had the committee.
Okay.
No my year mu. And no tea committee. O mama wa kwenya bia. Alabaso on tia says a committee nit na I old castle.
Yeah.
Na hono mo na ye fa so kun ne wo Fabius and then no one tia say didn't call wanted. What sort of life is this? Life bendi into one tiase. Any kasa be. Aji meme de decision me so majida tum. I fully support the decision of the court, but I'm pained say man say charge no man boneka for wasting the time of this country. Araban tama obedi wo Ghana ha as Chief Justice. Waji? To me kase case ye the case kokota na wo ni Ghana ma ya asani case no.
Yeah.
Onu Araba.
Yeah.
Araba to me kache Ghana for say asem we abai. This onu ba. And son or abetre. Yet to me the case ko no the date na share after
An event in a
tremor, you know. These are the things Araba did. And no cry, your mom found go. Or mom finding in uncle. Araba Ghana has my disenfranchised the people of Sa. Me wa?
Yeah.
One carry on for Chief Justice. I never be enough for us as Chief Justice. Want to manage for home. And you as a Chief Justice, on my head, as I say, Supreme Court to crank Friday or one transit. Supreme Court now Friday. After marking court 9. About 12. No crap. Favorable decision of the court. On E-levy, yenya MPs are no more opposition MPs. Echo court. Ebesine decision aba. That's it. So for me, she deserves what she has what in Saka. But near me ya. Watch it. So debate you ko but near me yakesi. So fire kufu. Former Chief Justice. No bobo no boy man for dini try man for mpoaze wa your principal. The principal wa he.
So fire.
Yes. The principal. So fire resigning because okodi dance here.
Emma Tokonu.
And to our conscience, yet I did not break Council of State to Moonshim. And I would decide so. Made the America dear dance ama Tokonuntino, Mariku Simeho. I say, and I wish I see a casa. In fact, inside that information, but I say, or back committee no honor, no testimony no, Oh, like, or did to Muse Ankoyi, but upia. The fact is that we were Chief Justice. Now we do kuna two coin. We do yere oba two coin. And then just obi a bit to me aye me wa.
Ano dear.
Sam ramu obi a wi nene anche no. Na we wi ochina na ye chiwa. Oba ka kwezo and I sit about ti wi aye ya anya ne hwe. Edim na mezuma ko wi. You can say that.
Ano dear.
And to assume say a former Chief Justice and a Casa Sano de Neminaka. Nayaminaka, no but me dream one in tells you. Or knows of fire when a criminalizing speech or Ghana.
So fire.
So fire Buafua Gufu. Muntia trip for a jelly or one a jelly.
So fire a jelly mutia.
Now, so far a jelly muntia trip. Now I will call to her. Honest is the owners of the frequency ama on transfer so. Entinago cry uncle to no more. I use a call no more have to move to the court premises. Under so fire the track that you will say, yeah, this studio it is the D and some money. It make frequency owners or mutifia or munimu any management. Or no. So fire. Now why you been no? And just so fire na frère Charlotte say. I can't tell you my own casa.
Yeah.
And that or your ban or my man na bibia on trust my fasa and I be a fine. And you don't recommend the prima facie my Charlotte say.
No.
The principles no way.
I'm NPP man. Nanka Alan Chamati no ideogram. We Kennedy Japan no near there be Alan we free. Na nti America say Kennedy Japan di kan e so kasa na hwe obi a waya na de ma ne ye ne ya o kan okre. Na wo sa hye na bufu. Kennedy Japan this Alan Chamati say o quiet. Na dwen no say o say onipa bi on ma o trust o dwen no da bia o dwen hwe kan say infante pin for moto dwen kan. Into no visualizing into the future onye gidigidi. Or no trust no church, I don't say yes, Nipo Tradi or the plant. Canada Japan. When this wadi will be no sandy giddy be title. Or no nonsense, but there's our cana. No. Now there be Americans and more soon a die or day. It would need him. Because President Kufo Kaze in Su Siam Fanipa in Sunu. Now, before NPP primary, see, attempt the dear and phobia almost support to Dr. Nato. Edi Canada Japan attempt. Ye anti kroma e di na tema bi kra se ya pani trimu pen na se konhwem en kola bi di atem.
That was unfortunate.
Oh, I chairman abronye san kola di na tebe sabe me se Canada Japan o mabusu man ka mepe go bra wa bo no me nka se bia me nsuman yepe but wade bi anya meka
yeah
sabe se nanado o mabusu man ka mepe ko wa be di president. But si maybe on na me meka kire. Dr. Nato o ye minua na me ofa bi anka mepe. Ko pempenso abedun. But ade bi nya meka kire no. But o ma say enye na wo kan. E na meka so o say o program syndrome no. O ma say see no evil then hear no evil. All the any praises. And Canada Japan is not like that. What's my man two membership? They decide who should man a certain position. Okay? Chairmanship here won't be any abra or pay ono no your choice na nka me ame wo fa Ejako pe chairman no twefa ne bo woni chem untumi corporate chairman wo de so mini PNC chairman tie wuntumi ne Ejako corporate chairman
me choice the John Bodu
o sa na me ka no twefa ne bo wuntumi ne wo say na ntia mayi Ejako nko ano so mu na the type of experience
onim de atin me choice na John Bodu
o de chairman me wi a be chechi
time ya chi girl no John Bodu court
girl yeah
girl be so you see Mahama something recently in the channel
a small girl be na Zongo
and John Bodu say oba or you remember but as some now kind no on force and when respect my John Bodu say yes he has shown maturity. That so obaye national chairman he can control the party because apart from no Paul Afoko ye menu apen pa Ejako na frese Ejako from the Jimmy no omu nyina Obochi Ejako obi bia beka in fact the last person after John Bodu okan me say akwana won yansa sa ene koka koka suba baka say Gana say okano on force
chairman the okay dey select we won say eno nkola na aba na esi etu omofo social media signal bi omu ni madwuma omo ye it feel say what na camera nim na wo ye dede a ora fi say ba bi atene fie na otime obi enimo o wadamfo onim komo ne obi di wo girl bi ya na say odidi Hobson ne wife matem didi also Roger man friend pretty lady bi I mean Hobson e call me hear na fi kra mbobo so office wa dodge for years e we so ma catch na fi o patch so chairman o say asoma be gan say akola bi so a is a friend political the mavis be choice of words a cravalo to me make us me choose me words ya some am can dey meet me defend in the next 10 years so ka say
yeah no me can what say since me started me advocacy no I don't guess look at people say me to hear say me am pay on name akoka asamago ni me ntisa
what say a contrary TV station me na ka say oh no say am na records we no read nti ense ye papa kene Japan we nti aso ne re ye fi aso ne me lusu ne memory akola wa bo brother obi na yi chop money man wo kasa asem we empanifo asem me kene Japan oye me ofa be ontime ngome oye me ofa wenyi me metwa 50 years onu atwa 66 so oye me ofa it asem bi wa metimi na ka be se me kakra me choose the words very well obi wa say my friend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Dr. Nato. Now maybe I'm because we say who didn't attempt. I just laugh and I started laughing.
What's Nato now say anything?
No action talk only.
No action talk only.
Okay, say Nana Kufuado, one friend Professor Mills, the late Professor Mills, Professor Doolittle.
Yeah.
Dr. Nato, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, one can't tell Dr. a JDM time president say the incompetent one.
Yeah.
So my kind of say NPP they are suffering from the glad.
I see.
And you pronominate the syndrome and the virus. Omo de omo kan eye. Obi ka dia enye. She maka say here you before. We don't have a record to compare with NDC. No. Yes, am abemuda. Chairman tie PNC o me dia Biden to omo record.
It was PMP.
O na PMP but don't say
that was PMP.
Okay. CPP or records. Yeah, you afranto afi ni eba. And na Oruafi say Alancha Martin JDM really of far GTP the command.
Yeah.
O si mi nua no. Mi be di o man penia. May implement it to him ni ebe boa wo no. Fa. I don't think that's GM kind. O si so one for man pan ke be fa ko e bi so.
Yeah, I said mo wi ya existing aye.
I don't dey na so man peni o ka dey diagram na ye we so. O mi obetimi abe friends mi nua fa mama mi. Ene me bi we NDC ya. Me who ana many age say me don ma hwe GTP nim almost the same
similar
and other na say me kaso ni omunye ni say toklo bi oni atesa ade amuye munye ni hwe
say okay say Dr. Mahmoud time for time ba na yes school feeling no kan say ba ye feeling kura na ma kosia ba ko e dey e no na o ba na first school feeling ba na Dr. Mahmoud say dey policy da bia na amanfo ye dey na implement na say insurance na ye PNC policy and they implement it. So that has been get fancy. They PNC policy and they implement it.
No more to you bit me quotada me as what in same year no they are better.
Yeah.
She Enti Canada Japan can't see me a ferry. I send me a cocaine on my the bofu. Ota frija any Ghana food I mean can some show. Hey,
Yellow.
Hey, Temoy refinery. A branch no MDC say no. Mami sorry na me try to proceed. Why boy juma. Na me some more the current TUC chairman Bernardo Wusu.
Also in your body.
Oh, ni Ghana.
Oko blocks that's na.
There be oko two kwan mom say.
Hey, catch na Kopek. Danka amwa ho.
Dankara mo ho.
Ni nipa na.
Pelma almost stood up against time NPP. Person omoton Temoy refinery $22 million. Omo mu dinai. She mitimi I tell you out to cry. NPP money I say Temoy refinery is not viable. It is a ton for
No say I say ye egu.
me my adwuma cocoa processing pen from Oko to Enwa. Enti no me industries ni
workers.
Chairman no say profit. So wo hwe adwuma boy na ye. RFCC and mo BD VB na then finance we ma repair no say Tema industries ni na say oh yeah repair of material friend shut down. That is the language.
Okay.
They shut it down and maintain. Now shut it down so o fan conference free abontin e be kan o engineers now.
We need more workers.
Otimi afa contractor across the man of 602. Onu ankasa crowd for over 300,000 interim also temane sa na o 300. And was employing for permanent about 200 plus to 300. On say why aduma. Etimi make a profit of 1.24 million. It is a Bernard man share any a ton here. Kegugan and Massey. And a combat and so by. So when Timmy and Yajuma Mananya profitable, Conos will Bernard Money Massey.
Yeah.
It is a bomb me and Abasu.
Yeah.
It's a very young man. Now, meaning both at Temoy refinery, the tonnage of storage in the crowd also say boss.
1 million.
Boss, the only 360 or something. I'm quite a big
1 million barrel.
A big bok, a big and a bupe, a big Kumasi, Mammy water. Temoy refining worker. But it's only one year a Bemana, I owns a government, a refiner. Now, no cramp almost starting full operational. 1.6 million barrel nom coffee free Nigerian, 600,000 normally, and once somebody try machine. We are testing the Chroma Santo and we're making profit of 1.2 million. The Canada Japan Kasa. Yes, we NPP mono odika because we any year ya Ghana phone to aba manintia oputo say untia NPP make us my worst mistake bi o amasa ko fa Dr. Nato obi anu a no kre ode opekra give me phone line to obi anu say na Kufu Addo be ko the deeper na Ghana phone any dan so be lead the NPP was a lunch that's the cloud.
That's factual.
It doesn't mean say no on election but election here. Sense of me to they could jam be keke. They find and try every means and now do the shadow no to frustrate the man.
When you say Legon no, can say along, can say Yensan to Abba, Kaku for the go on winning.
Oh, say no there, Yaka, because you second round 2008. Now Professor Mills, Udieche, no have never been really there. Everything is possible. But now do me a deputy ministers. It be no me CEOs. They are my friends. We talk. They support land. They started. They were called and shipped in line. It will be on so. They say any say also old man and say he support Dr. Nato, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Oh, yeah, boy, who modern beer. And do baby who say I didn't air corner. Oh my dream say I no be. Yenjai mom. Alan so a jama mufa party. Ye free party mu pe. Ye chance ye do so work here for front of ni pe ba. Omuka dem before say moto aba no Alan chamanti a o nwini. E na dipa ne say okay. Se ye to Alan no nwini de na ye nto kra. Say me koto Alan. E na say me to Alan no nwini na metifie. It shows that me a supporter of Alan. E niam me do na me e say me to ama o de Mintu more no so matrafie it's a protest vote say nipa we na person to na so onwini dia mintu
yeah
when I lose any NPP I was even thinking, say, they will do the right thing. And then Madi Omosakoye. Masako say top-down approach. Do you know why? Because Alan support base are Uja woman or many a chairman. And no Canada Japan inherited about 80% of the support base inherited. In 2 minutes, almost started to send the NDC started branch, almost started NPP, police station. Those who conform no more now will make sure say
they lose.
Omunkofo ni na be lose. There be any sad year. Omo motoma ya dada na yem force ni anya top down. Ye wi akọ reconciliation ekwe. Anya fe that no cry west. Enti Canada Japan there. Me dana say. So no so hu han no. Say nkofo bi so match base bi, omo so no leader or meaning so no leaders. Hey, whether we a base, omo me base now they were Alan supporters before. And unkodi Canada Japan chi. Say Canada bad the base also e den omo ye nyina ye nkambu. Me senior na Alan Chamantin.
I know.
Sit down. Ye mienu because if I say Baku leading na Baku, yeah, Ghanaians will accept Ebema 2028 election in the way. But as it stands now, NPP, I don't see anything beyond a ginger, almost try so baby be a bit ginger youth grassroots. But no me and
new appointment that work
me to a trot room. Before taxi me and two do moment to Land Cruiser. They don't know what people are saying. Yeah, they are not formal. You transport. You travel be say they betting for sometimes it be raise argument. Who will say them for feeling. Yeah, you before no and yeah empire but that say NPP NDC be feeling. Na mean 2 NPP for ade we. Your mama first time. If I say be an maturity no for me trimu de bi ni ade so any me bi NPP bonechi. Yigina ye bugum. Ne wo didi on na Akufo Addo mu pa o. But na Akufo Addo be the expectation was very high. But it was the first time crowd na Akufo so the second time crowd it was total disappointment.
It was cool.
Because me adwuma me kwag mo bi accident me Kumasi kakra. Timitie unse the base the akuma na wo MPP me na Kumasi.
Yeah.
But say Kumasi na say they tell you they are very disappointed in Nana Akufo Addo. No sa control radio say I said one be Muro and say man amunsa mo beto man to fine. Total insult. Moti who Ashanti region NPP MPs. I'm very disappointed in them. I'm very disappointed in them. Omo no mo didi na Akufo Addo so man say MPP. Ashanti region kwenya development.
But I have a friend that me person me born it na oye Ashanti regional MP na osun catch them say or one people so or who so opposition because na do you no support.
That is a MP no soft spot for Alan because yeah Tea Party no yeah Tea Party we were opposition in party or power. Who can be emfa as I dream new team.
So that is why they crippled the economic management team to render it renderless because say omuko try meeting decision na for that time support no or bogum.
Hear me say it na me catch chairman say adwuma bi the National Lotteries Authority of Fatabi dey nkan asem ne a gold mine na da eno da ebe ba say ha na ebe kan asem ay the calculator betu figures apart from the act near the figures na be won yenti sika ko private packets SS can call NL is sleeping and yen kan asem because me from me teases NL am dey throw masters my kan asem go feel say me your time na me kan same yeminua me kan but I say well, so when people have a lot of interest in a certain thing, all kind of credit common person, but me, yeah, you people in the Ghana first because now Ghana needs money to do a lot of things, especially a topic about education. Me my education do a match on him. It's near me kana me kakosino, Canada Japan. Send any sweating is in the on your own matter boldness and continue. And you may be quite na young. Now, after 2020 hospital, some office won't carry. Me or ho, ya on an Akufo Addo commission up to your commission. Me rule muda, be me na menimo. It's in send the entrance, it was 4 point more workers on quiet construction, but also for me. You are a pickup, my name is GM near Fabi, near Bissau Buaka. Sometimes near from a Patrapa Junction to a Buaka, and then Akufo Addo assigned their mark contract on me.
Yeah.
Who knows that today? It's 4 years, Nina, a crime engineering.
Apart no movie.
Though it's up to be 80%.
Wow.
So in send one year can cause Ashanti regional MPs no. I'm disappointed in them. Few people na. So retain your mama can say on Pamu nyina.
Who quite can answer mine.
Oh, who quite can listen nipa be for net be at swame mama part me no be academy mum din wa. Aha say me dey no say your mama can no come you no wa ube.
Okay. Yellow me that say yellow man from UP. And honestly, na adventure about my chairman Asaki Irene Gobet in chairman PNC.
Atavija.
Naam.
Awiawe me hu news item na ayam de pa. Say judicial service. Baba can say Chief Justice Canada no. Or visit Black Stars no. It is on his own expenses. Not from the judiciary. Nti omwa no omoga say Chief Justice and Samuel Official ample extra picture. Na Chief Justice on nam and party appointees no. Chief Justice on your Ghana ni. So you Ghana ni. So oya Ghana ni. Nti atafreja send a judicial service eba clear no ayam de pa say Chief Justice nti for Chief Justice no kasa ya de funding the trip no kwanye taxpayers kana ya de account to judicial service say omu twantro meso me twantro anamboa ana say me twantro judicial service no twantro nyeme no twantro number 2 my who say our attorney general otukwa kwabrochire picture ni wa hu
me hu
okwashia attorney general our America. Na something na say send on then omofa can offer baba. Because so that we can all protect our laws. And anisa. The ever catch Ghana Attorney General say your born about so say or ya di pa. Nembom o catch na America abroad say can offer bedu Ghana. Abutrika also enko America. Simple as that. Because say I mean say omo kalanti na anytime amodi
Koreata e ka o magana abono sa butre kaka semu asika o mo keka de fufa no endu
exactly but omoni brick din say omonfa abutre camera in fact me can say yes last week almost akwache papa bi wo Islam friend the baron omo ina mo pe omo wo America nti on catch omo ani catch ro say mo mfa can offer at bar yes so we dey we dey yan jai Ghana ni bia and ba America be tribe ya because we are sovereign countries we are sovereign country. Ghana is a sovereign country and this mrana omo mrana ya mrana dey omo dey you from EIB and from CIB FBI the bar na ya fa look FBI nkasa dia oba ko islegon kwachi Ghana ni oba through local ara yoko ana with police service nti ma hu say yoko boss so oka omo attorney general omo ko e ho no nti ayam ni jipa atabreja me ba na metie na wo bo can offer can Japan voice no na yam say enu akura na musate boys no what is the problem say this week na can Japan kwa year donation Yama Ghana Police Service in 37. Now, you see, I'm bothered about because Oyadi, it was part of the birthday. And the Koya side because that very day, even when we say, Minya Kosipuku, Omuto, the base for no, Omuto cake, papa cake, celebrating. Oh, no, Chairman, that's all you get. So, me congratulate, Yenya, me susu, at least me the 47 years. Say, can about a woman, on team woman. It depends. We have 47 minus 60 what?
That's a base 19 years of it.
19 years. If so, 19 years, I married me worry at age 24.
Okay.
And my firstborn, God blessed me. By the time I entered 25th, no, now you a firstborn.
Okay.
What you say? Yeah. And oh, na say. Say Yanko ya do my china cry. My second born or graduated from one of the senior high school.
Oh, my mother's was senior high.
Oh, that's my second born. First born they were university. And I said, we age them age the same. But say age they're too so or you're 50 something, maybe 47. Until another so only kind answer me did it. So that one is no competition. And so person can say can offerata and can Japan or can say yeah media for now interview no and then we about his what is his how do you think about the issue that is happening about Afari and I'll say during the last year 8 years or whatever in government no, he was the chair committee chair for defense and interior and then you know correct say guy you say he was the committee chairman
Yeah.
and also during his time as chair and you know the committees always visit the agencies under them.
But the chairman, I'm saying, Buza say, oh yeah, committee chair for 8 years. And I say, if you are another second term, I know you're committee chair.
Okay, that I didn't have the
Yeah,
status.
no,
But
yeah,
on another some no kind was it he was committee chairman for 8 years. Sano Kaya.
Okay.
They wanted to visit and they were stopped. Sano Kaya. That was his ways. The military. I bind the stop on executive stop on you say yes, Sano Kaya. And they were stopped. So if 8 years you could not do anything, why would you blame someone who came for 15 months? And that is objective and transparent. Very positive constructive criticism on Kaya. Sadana Imbedana John Kodia JFK France. JFK. Quite sure let us say he should retract and apologize. Or else they will refer to this man committee. Or then the trigger, you know. Because who John Kodia?
Abonye didi na tema so de na court different committee one got the kangaroo different committee normal.
Amba.
Otibika there one cannot
One country.
one carry that's abonye part of the shadow system no.
And who John Kodia? Who you can the Japan very well. And no go trust our letter and say until you retract and apologize. Why no yeah? Oh yeah, why? O see 8 years. Man to me yet. Now we back for 15 months now. He should finish the work now.
But I no so.
No matter.
And no okay.
O program syndrome
yeah, so and you know it's not only about the letter that general secretary issue no. I'm say I did know now the whole communicators they were on him.
Lambasting him.
So they tricked it. They cost it. Can Japan not in a baby? They costed it. And so he's now responding. He's even to the extent or say again the 111 grandpa. Now you talk to say the massacre. Now massacre the Baba Mao no 10%. Or say the year crowd be about $55 million contract be. A minimum the branch on 50 or say 50%, right?
15%.
But on man only come on 7%. The okay the crown no kind no say nema wo. Omo dia grow be di umu. Nti omo hwe saa so boy na ye omo executive no omo national party office no.
I said there is no leader in NPP now.
Omo hwe na yes a can Japan ha right now crowd ba mo yekoye appointment. O say chairman and the chief of staff.
So no so be
Nana come in charge of communication. Na your farmer maybe to be spokesperson. And we say na I join me no way. I go me no way.
I'm so man position you.
That be omo number 8. Upon now here na 1 2 3 number 8.
Oh.
Yes number 8. Kabo ho.
Now there mama
Meraki's about Jenny friends.
Is it credible?
Oh, it's credible. Now, and you credible MPP ka come on issue statement. This is not issue statement.
Appointment.
The office of the vice president, former vice president. Now they're the leader of the New Patriotic Party, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
And they've done appointment. That is true. Fred Owaru they've done appointment.
Appointment. Starting from 2028.
So I was shocked that I didn't see Akosia Menu. I didn't see Miracle Abaji. So it means right now Bawumia is listening to what people are saying. Because Amafo can say Miracle Abaji or you're arrogant. But Akosia Menu they maintain somebody. only the skirmishes between him and the Asante region minister. And I've not heard anything bad about her. She's been very, what should I say? Very decent, very respected person. I've been admiring her from far. So I think that NPP Kasano Kope Omwa Woos, because already the Chinese Japan, his beef. His beef, right?
Yeah,
his beef, not beef, his beef. Because why his beef? He spent a lot of money in because all the research shows that he was winning. So he spent heavily. And then Mushu and the Dr. Bawumia. Until already
Dr. Natu.
Ono is a wound lion. Anyone was stepping on wound. So do you think he will leave you? He will vote you. So if he's frying them, it is their own make. I think say it was needless for John Kodia to have issued that statement. Whoever advised him to issue that statement, it was completely needless. It was completely needless. Is it not true that ADS they could not finish Afari Hospital?
Yeah, that was the.
Is it not true? Even Bank of Ghana building was commissioned when the Bank of Ghana was not completed. Accra,
Chairman, you see, so full line touching.
Was also commissioned.
Oh, sir, and I'm saying, I know crown NPP tie 8 years and I don't come moment to me.
Even Jamama Highway when a year one knew it was commissioned when it was not completed. Highway from East Legon and because the port will be that East Legon police executive police. There it was commissioned when it was not completed. So they knew that they were losing. Akufo knew that they were losing. They knew that the election was not going to be good for them. Because Ghanaians had made up their minds to vote massively for John Dramani Mahama. Enter the PNC, your fire, you say your ideologies goes with them. Although that I don't know your support on one year, I don't be here. I'm going to tell my can you cry on my to say that doctor because we did cancel my yare. Oh, what's here? Yeah. Can you cry and family?
Oh, Taffy Jenny can be much.
Can you cry? Ah, ya Kohabre.
Chairman,
can you cry and family?
Chairman dear, or the crack on accident in Kanyamina born who by when we can't say
up to now, promise.
Oh,
up to now, promise. You can't miss some Kano. Now, I buy ban ya upon the Newcastle Crum. Tell me who Newcastle Crum. Who 25 Castle Crum. As you see, I'm 26 Castle Crum. I buy officers out right there. That's not chairman of a party, a poor political party like PNC. You have never formed government. That's poor chairman, young man who's now growing. And me yam iska kakra me langusa. Me di baba boa me ye campaign me kwani ko crash here. After say Jomama Grand Kase Mutoka Mama, mu pese okache, there are no business people in NDC that will say no.
But Madi just told us.
My young top PNC, that's a chairman card grandma. I knew your friends say Abadi need to me. Oh,
the nice people should catch you.
Massa, Miss C. NDC ni na omun kan obi ntu kan ba yam pa bi kwama national chairman that see na niwo na friends niwo na friends
say just ayo mani
niwo na menyo me hunya omun bobo sisi me free akoboko me kan ntimi koboko
zo kai mo de anyam
me pese me ko kepko anajo fuwa be consume makama me trinsa ni na makama bibia
na chama fa
na the president mama on do vaka Ibrahim mama so
chama fa
kosi water crowd no say
doctor osi flight to
masa
airport
atafroja yellow me serious atafroja Besine dabia mitumika me kwa GTV me kwa UTV me kwa resources me ba me resources obi antu ameka me resources na adai is it the first time a parties in government taking care of their allied we are allied to NDC every time they were taking care of Apasra and his Janet and Nabila and others. They were taking there was a foul. There was a foul at the presidency. Omoya will be a PNC. Omoya will be a PNC. Frima ask Frima. Go and put a interview Frima Pari. Former chief of staff. Bibia PNC. Oh no. Eh? Yabai no. Omoya national security recruitment. PNC. Omoya slow. Omoya no. Omoya police immigration day. PNC. Omoya no. Yeah, pilgrims 2025 almost it was too late for them. 2026 Super Pilgrim. My PNC, my slot. Yeah, as Nasa chairman. None more. Ya employ my delete names. My do say at least my grassroots PNC grassroots.